This is Kathy. She is an engineer and needs to decide which industrial camera she should choose for her new machine. This design-in decision is very important to her, as the machine is expected to operate for many years to come. Again, she would prefer a camera from Basler, because Kathy has had excellent experiences with reliable products from the market leader. Basler GigE cameras allow for nanosecond perfect synchronization of numerous cameras, up to a cable length of 100 meters, and they can even be powered and triggered through the same Ethernet cable. This single cable solution helps to save money. The only disadvantage, however, is GigE's limited bandwidth. Because of that, Kathy's machine will not be able to run at full speed at the required resolution. If only there were a solution that's not too expensive. Kathy calls Sean from Basler. Perhaps there's a chance to get more out of GigE. And indeed there is, as the new Ace 2 includes powerful features like compression beyond. It comes in two product lines, Ace 2 Basic and Ace 2 Pro. Both offer the latest CMOS sensors, excellent image quality, and optimized hardware design, and can be combined with Basler's price-attractive accessories portfolio. For standard vision needs, the Ace 2 Basic is the perfect choice. However, for most of Kathy's requirements, Sean recommends the Ace 2 Pro. With unique features like Pixel Beyond and Compression Beyond, it's the ideal choice for maximum performance. Compression Beyond allows for a more efficient bandwidth usage. The image data is compressed right in the FPGA in real time and without quality loss. Hence, more bandwidth becomes available for an increased frame rate. The image data can also be saved in the compressed format in full resolution, which saves storage capacity and money. In addition, Pixel Beyond allows to change the pixel size and resolution. Thus, Kathy can even effortlessly reproduce sensor characteristics of discontinued sensors. Wow! Kathy is thrilled. This is the solution she was looking for. Kathy ultimately chooses a mix of Ace 2 Basic and Ace 2 Pro cameras. So she pays only for features she really needs, and her machines are future-proof as well. Now the production can run at full speed. Excited to learn more about what you can achieve with the new Ace 2 cameras? Visit baslerweb.com/ace2 and see for yourself.